Hey everyone, hope you're all doing okay during this challenging and very unpredictable environment that we find ourselves in. Welcome to MBA Virtual, where we are going to turn experiential learning online. Now is a time where I'm really going to be able to test that creativity and critical thinking skills that we explored in that very first course. Despite the challenges that we are faced with at the moment with the COVID-19 pandemic, I am actually slightly optimistic of the learnings that we will gain out of this, and also the innovation it forces us to actually adopt at the moment, and much more quickly and much more rapidly. When you think about it, the link between what is happening in today's environment and this particular course, analytical decision making, is actually really quite relevant. Think of all that data that can and should be used to gather insights. What I want to explore over the next 3 modules that I will share with you online are 3 things. One is, what is data? The second is turning that data into insights. And the third one then is, how do we actually take action from those insights? But first I'd like to share a video with you. It's on YouTube. I've given you the link in the footnote here. And you'll be able to watch it in 360. In order to navigate around the video, you just need to place your mouse over it and drag the video around, and you'll be able to actually navigate in full 360 view. When you're watching the video, I want you to make notes of everything that you observe from the video. Once you've done that, perhaps post some of those things that you observed up in the discussion forum. And I can have a look at that and then maybe make some comments, and so that other students can also have a look to see what other people have actually observed. It'll be interesting to see how many similarities, but also perhaps some things that you may not have actually observed that someone else has. And it'll just to sort of get you guys into the frame of mind for thinking about data and the ways you can actually collect data. So watch the video, and then when you've done that, you can move on to the first module. And we'll speak to you soon. Catch you later.